Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Apple Mail security protections in iOS. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your iOS device and locate the Settings app. Tap on the Settings icon to open it. Scroll down and find the option labeled Mail. Tap on Mail to enter the Mail settings. Once in Mail settings, scroll down until you see Privacy Protection. Tap on Privacy Protection to access those settings. You will now see options for Protect Mail Activity. Turn on the toggle switch for Protect Mail Activity. This feature prevents your email activity from being tracked. Next, return to the Mail Settings menu. Look for Blocked Sender Options. Tap on Blocked Sender Options to manage your blocked contacts. Here, you can choose how you want to handle emails from blocked senders. Select your preferred option from the list provided. Now, go back to the main Mail Settings page. Scroll down and tap on Mail again. Then, find the option for Default Account. Here, you can select which email account you want to use by default. Choose your preferred account from the list. Next, go back to the main Settings page. Scroll down and find Privacy. Tap on Privacy to review additional settings. Select Tracking, which allows you to manage app tracking. Turn off any unnecessary tracking features to enhance your privacy. Now you have successfully activated Apple Mail security protections on your iOS device. Your Mail app is now better protected against unwanted tracking and spam. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.